In this video, we're going to take a look at how to edit assignments that have already been assigned in ThinkCentral. From the dashboard, we're going to come over to where it says Assignments. I'm going to click on that, and it'll redirect us from the dashboard to a different view setup. So from here, you can see I'm on the Assignments tab. The one thing that I want to make sure we point out is the idea of the assignment window. Oftentimes, teachers will have assigned something and they won't see it because it either comes before or after the window. So ensure that when you're looking at your window, you set your dates from and to be able to capture the window that the assignment was actually created. So if you want, as a precaution, you may go ahead and go further in advance so that way you're making sure that you have your date. Then you can come down here to any of the assignments, and at that point you can delete an assignment, or you can be able to edit assignments. So this is a way to ensure that I have my assignments, I'm looking what has been assigned, what has not, and if you did make a mistake and happen to duplicate an assignment, all you need to do is click the delete button and it will be able to delete it for you. That's all.